Well, hello and welcome to day 2. This is week 2, day 2, and I'm going to take you through your day. So first, let's look at our letters. Our new letters for this week are Y and Z. And the Y stands for the sound Y, like yo-yo. Z stands for the sound Z, like zipper. So here are some pictures that begin with the letter Y, and their beginning sound is Y. Yak, yogurt, yolk. And number 2 shows some pictures of words that begin with Z or letter Z. Zipper, zoo, zero. Here are some words that begin with Y, and so we know the beginning sound will be Y, and we could sound those out. Yes, yes, yes. Yam. It's good to slide these two sounds together, your beginning sound and middle sound, and then just pop that ending sound on. Yam, yam. Yam. A yam is a sweet potato. Yet. So we can say yet, but we want to slide those two together. Yet. Okay. Here is zip, zip, zig, zag, zigzag. And here's someone's name. Zach, Zach. And I know it's a name because the letter Z is a capital or uppercase letter. So let's go through our packet today. It's going to be pretty easy today, so I might give you an extra idea for practicing today. So this is all about the letter Z and writing the letter Z. And just a reminder, Mrs. Rubel likes you to write lowercase letters to practice those. So next to pictures that have a beginning sound Z, you'll write the letter Z because letter Z stands for that sound. Number 1, the first picture is a zoo, and so you can see the beginning sound was Z. That was the first sound we said for zoo. So we write Z. And for right-handed people, you're going to pull back and then push it, pull back again. Zebra. Zebra. If you hear Z at the beginning, you should write Z on this line here. Number 2, zero, zero. Quarter, quarter. Number 3, zipper, zipper. 6, six. Number 4, pen, pen. And zigzag, zigzag. That was a word we read in our little book. And if I went too fast, just stop the video, go back, and hear it again. Oh, on the back, I bet you're excited. I know you love free write. This might be a good time to practice writing your fast as a snap or sight words. Some people call them sight words or high frequency words. These are really common words. And we made 2 pages of sight words or fast as a snap words that are the hardest ones that you've learned so far. So practice these. Some of you do know these, but it's a really good idea to practice them. You can cut them out and make little cards from them. Or you can just read them each day. Try reading them backwards one day or mixing them up because your brain likes patterns, and you, in order to practice, you need to mix it up and get your brain working again. And so all of these are the words that you have learned. These 2 words, here and me, we just learned last week. Our new words are going to be this and what. Both of these words begin with an H combination. TH, we have practiced that, tongue between our teeth, this. And WH sounds like the wind, what. Now when we talk, we don't say what, we usually say what, but it does have an H in there. Most of the question words do. Today was a very short day, and I will see you tomorrow or on day 3, week 2, for a little bit more activities. Since we didn't have a very long packet today, I thought I would introduce our new Faceted Snap words in our little book. We looked at the letters earlier, and now let's look at our Faceted Snap words, and we can also read the story together. The first word is this. This, remember that TH sound we've been practicing. And what. Remember that WH sound we've been practicing. WH together makes one sound. Wh. Okay? And here's some sentences. I was on this street. This one. Okay. And what do zebras eat? What is a question word, and it's at the beginning of this question sentence. So if you see the word what at the beginning, it might be a question. All right, so the story this week, our essential question is about what we know about our country. And we're going to see a little boy travel. He's not going to see too many sights or symbols of our country. We'll see some of those in another story, but he's going to take a trip. And in order to do that, the name of this story says, pack a bag. Pack a bag. And they mean to pack your suitcase. Get ready for a trip. All right. Pop is here, said Zeb. Now, if I look in the picture, I can see that this boy is pointing to a map, and he's pointing here, over near where we live. We live here, so he's pointing to where Pop is. So this looks like his mom and his dad, and Pop is another name that people use for grandfather or grandpa. So Pop is here, said Zeb. Can I pack a big bag? Mom and Dad said yes. Turn the page. I'm being really careful with my pages. All right. Zeb. That's going to be the boy's name. I bet we see that a lot on the page. It's an unusual name, but since we know what it is, we can find it and say it again. And I see it again here. So when I get to this word, I will know to say Zeb. Okay, so Zeb can get on a big jet. He can zip to Pop. Zeb is not sad. And we can look at his face and we can see that he's smiling. So that must mean he's happy to go see his Pop. What can Zeb see? Well, here's his name 2 times. I'll know what to say because I have learned that word. Zeb can nod at a man. Zeb can see a big, big sun. Oh, it's a sunny day for Zeb's traveling. It was a quick jet. Zeb and Pop hug. Pop got this pack for Zeb. It has a ribbon on it, so it must be this backpack that he got for Zeb. Oh, it looks like they're going to go on a hike. If we look at the picture, there's Pop and Zeb. It looks like they're going to go on a hike on this zigzag road or trail. So let's see what their adventure is here. Pop and Zeb get up at 6. 6. That's early in the morning. Pop can go up, up, up. Ooh, this trail must be up a hill. Zeb can go up, up, up. Doing my corner turns, being careful with my pages. You guys are all very good at taking care of our books. Pop can zigzag. There's the zigzag. He's going on the zigzag trail. Zeb is hot and not quick. So here's Grandpa or Pop going up the zigzag. And here's Zeb. Here he comes. Do not quit yet, said Pop. Yes. They get to the top. Zeb did it. Pop did it. Zeb can sit and sip. He is taking a sip of water and he had it carried in his pack. That was smart. So they made it to the top of the hill. Zeb took a little bit longer. We found our fast as a snap words, this and what, in our story. This pack, this one, and what for a question word. Okay, so there are our fast as a snap words. Practice reading those on your cards, and I'll see you next time. Bye.